Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about some steps of learning English. English is not very difficult language. I have already told you this is very easy language if you learn it carefully. So today I will discuss some steps to learning English to become a fluent English speaker. If you want to be a fluent English speaker, you must study the master reading, listening and speaking. You have to focus on these things. First of all, you will focus on the reading, then listening. After that, you will try to speak, that is speaking. At talkenglish.com, the lessons are structured to give you practice in all three areas at the same time. You can learn all these things in the same on the same time. That is, first is reading, next is speaking, and next is listening. So this will increase your English fluency. Step number 1, identify. Step 2, understand. And step 3, integrate. So let us start our topic. Speak English with confidence. First of all, you need to speak your English with the confidence. Don't hesitate while speaking in English. Don't think so because that my pronunciation is wrong. You have to just speak English with the confidence. Doesn't matter how you are speaking. You need to give focus. You need to control focus about the spoken. In this lesson, you can learn how to sound more confident when you speak English. In this lesson, I will tell you that how you will feel confident while you are speaking in English. When we ask student, why do you want to learn English? When we ask this one question from our student, often people don't talk about their language skill. They talk about their feeling. People don't talk about their language skill, they talk about their feeling, why they want to learn English. Say these things like, I don't feel confident when I am speaking English. This is a first point that you have to remember. I don't feel confident when I am speaking English. I am afraid my English sounds bad. Second point that comes in your mind, that is, I am afraid my English sounds bad. I want to feel better about my English. This is the third point that will come in your mind. Does this sound like you? If your sounds like this, in this video you can learn some simple effective tips to sound more confidence in speaking English. We will show you ideas that anyone can use. I'm going to show you some ideas that you can use in your spoken, or you can enhance your spoken skill. Here the English course. First of all, improve accuracy in the grammar. You have to learn more and more grammar rules. But you have to learn more and more grammar rules. You can see playlist of all the composition grammar and rules from my channel. Improve accuracy in grammar. First of all, you need to improve your accuracy in grammar. After learning all the grammar rules and all about the grammar, you will improve your accuracy in the grammar. Next, second is refine and develop reading skill. You have to develop the reading skill. That means you have to read more and more English books, more and more English newspaper, so that you can enhance your reading habit and you can develop the reading skill. Third step is correct pronunciation. There are many apps available on Play stores. You can choose one of them and you can correct your pronunciation. If you see that you are speaking any word wrong, then type that word on that app. This will be shown like the correct pronunciation of the words, and you can learn from there. Next, personality development. First step is your personality development. If you are speaking in English or if you are speaking in fluency, this will also enhance your personality. So, if you want to develop your personality, you need to learn English. Next is art of conversation. You have to improve your art of conversation. If you are speaking with any another person, you need to improve this one art. uh, doesn't matter the person in front of you is speaking in English or not, you have to improve your skill. If you really want to improve your skill, you need to speak in English. Next is communication skill. You need to develop your communication skill. First of all, you will listen the person carefully, that are who are whatever are talking to you. Next, you will listen. After carefully listen, you will try to speak in English. Next is presentation skill. if you have learned the English, you need to give the presentation. Doesn't matter it's before your junior or senior, you need to give a presentation. This will enhance your spoken skill as well as this will boost your confidence. Next is the interview preparation. You need to prepare your interview. Like here are some tips. You need to speak about yourself. What was your present salary? Sorry, what is your present salary? What was your salary, past salary, or what you want to be in the future? Whatever the interview questions are, you need to prepare that interview questions. Next is a personal grooming. You need to groom yourself personally. Next is a business counseling. You need to improve your business. If you are in a business, try to speak more and more in English. So these were the some steps that you need to follow while speaking in English. Our goal is to help the English learn English speaking, so you can learn speaking fluently, improve your spoken free. First of all, I request you all to subscribe my channel. My channel name is Learning English. So I will help you through this channel to learn more and more English. As you already know that I have made playlist of all the grammar rule, that is grammar composition. You can learn grammar rules and all the rules that you need in spoken. You can learn from there. Next, English today. Today I'm going to tell you two words that you will use in your daily life. A casual way to say yes. If you want to say yes to any one person, like somebody is asking from you, do you like pizza? You will say yeah. This is a yeah. 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 Is your name Joe? Yeah. Why? You will put question also. Yeah. Why? To feel bad about something. When you feel bad about something, to feel sad or sorry for something. If you want to feel bad, you will feel sorry. Yeah, you feel sad about something. Then what you will say? I feel bad about not going to the birthday party. I feel bad about calling you stupid. So only said it because she was angry. So this one was the complete explanation. Hope you have understand how you can enhance your reading skill, listening skill, as well as your spoken skill. So in next video I will tell you some more rules that how you can speak English when no one is there to accompany you, no one is there to speak with you, how you can speak and how you can learn English. So I request you all to subscribe my channel. Thank you all for watching.